Welcome to supplemental video number 3. This video is about partial fractions. So first of all, what are partial fractions? Well, they allow you to split a fraction with a factor denominator into smaller fractions. So more specifically, mx plus n over px plus q times rx plus s can be broken down into a over px plus q plus b over rx plus s, where a and b do not include x. So a and b are both coefficients. Like they can be 1, 2, 3, but they cannot be 2x plus 3 or 5x or anything like that. So here are some examples. 5x plus 3 over x plus 3 times x minus 2 can be broken down into a over x plus 3 plus b over x minus 2. 1 over 5x plus 3 times 2x minus 5 can be broken down into a over 5x plus 3 plus b over 2x minus 5. And x over 4x minus 1 times x plus 8 can be broken down into a over 4x minus 1 plus b over x plus 8. So now, how do you determine a and b? Here's the process. So first, you multiply both sides by the denominator of the original fraction. So this denominator right over here. And what this does is it gets rid of all of the denominators. So this is gone, and this is gone. And then now you distribute. And then you group together the terms with x and the terms without x. So ax and bx, they both contain x. Negative 2a and 3b do not contain x. So you group them together. And since a and b both do not contain x, they're just constants. The terms with x on both sides are equal, and the terms without x on both sides are equal. So 5 is equal to a plus b, and 3 is equal to negative 2a plus 3b. And with that, you can get a system of equations. And then solving this system of equations, you'll get a is equal to 12 over 5 and b is equal to 13 over 5. So then you can, so this was our original decomposition. So we plug a and b in, so we get that this is our final answer. So 5x plus 3 over x plus 3 times x minus 2 can be broken down into this. And here's another example. So 1 over 5x plus 3 times 2x minus 5. So first of all, that can be broken down into a over 5x plus 3 plus b over 2x minus 5. And then multiplying both sides by the denominator, by this denominator right over here, we get this. And then after simplifying and then grouping together the terms with x and without x on the right side, we get this. All right, and then on the left side, we had 1, which is the same as 0x plus 1. All right, so now we can form this system of equations because 0 is equal to 2a plus 5b, and 1 is equal to negative 5a plus 3b. And solving the system of equations, you get a is equal to negative 5 over 31, and b is equal to 2 over 31. So this was our original decomposition, and we plug in a and b, and we get that this is our answer. So now here's a practice problem, and if you solve this, it turns out that a and b are both fractions. So solving for a and b might be a little tedious. So I'm not going to require you to solve for a and b. You just need to get to the system of equations. If you want to solve for a and b, then I'm not going to stop you though. But anyway, here is the solution. So first of all, this fraction right over here can be broken down into a over 4x minus 1 plus b over x plus 8. We multiply both sides by this denominator right over here. We distribute and then group together the terms with x and without x on the right side. All right, so on the left side, we have 1x plus 0, and that's 1 is equal to a plus 4b, and 0 is equal to 8a minus b. So this is our system of equations, and if you solve for a and b, you'll get that a is equal to 1 over 33, and b is equal to 8 over 33. And then going back to our original composition, we plug in a and b, and then we get that this is our final answer. So here's another practice problem. And once again, if you don't want to, you don't have to solve for a and b. You just need to get to the system of equations. So here's the answer. So first of all, you need to factor this denominator right here. It factors into 5x plus 1 times x plus 1. And so that can be broken down into a over 5x plus 1 plus b over x plus 1. And then you multiply both sides by this denominator and then distribute and group together the terms with x and without x. All right, so now on the left side, we have 1x plus 6. So 1 is equal to a plus 5b, and 6 is equal to a plus b. So this is our system of equations. And if you solve for a and b, you'll get that a is equal to 29 over 4 and b is equal to negative 5/4. So going back to original decomposition and plugging in a and b, we get that this is our final answer. So now here are some more advanced partial fractions, and I'm not going to go over these in detail, and you're not going to need to know these for video 8. However, if you're curious, you might be able to figure out how these work by looking at this photo here. And you'll probably need to know these advanced partial fractions if you're planning on taking AP Calculus BC. However, you'll learn these in pre-calculus anyway, so don't worry. But anyway, that's it for this video. So now you're all set for video number 8.